The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and right about now I have a video that I'm going to show you that is from inside one of the jail cells of Trinidad and Tobago, right? And in this video you're going to hear a man trying to explain that there are men in the jail for years that have been accused of crimes and have not gotten the chance to stand any form of trial, nor bail or anything like that. Now, this video is out on social media saying or claims to be of a protest within the jail cell, right? Some says that it is a hunger strike, you know what I mean, viewers and subscribers. However, I am going to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding for yourself, and you can also tell me what you think about what has been said in this video or so on, you know. Now, bear in mind that this video shows from inside of one of the jail cells of Trinidad and Tobago, viewers and subscribers. So viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Yeah, well, there's what's going on here right now. Nobody ain't eating nothing. You understand? People fed up. People fed up have been in jail for years. Right? People fed up have been in jail for years. Yes, man, lock up in jail for murder.
And Tobago government brilliant criminals right now.
Tell me how that making sense, Ola. Tell me how that making sense. Men lock up in jail 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8 years, 14 years for murder. Right? So if you try to tell me the system needs so much time. So much time the system needs to find out if somebody guilty or if they're not guilty. I thought it was innocent until proven guilty, but it's like it's guilty until proven innocent, like a guy was going on. You understand? So this is what's going on here right now. Nah, don't worry, it ain't going on. Nobody eating nothing. Nobody don't want nothing to eat. This is what's going on here. Hunger strike, nobody don't want nothing to eat, and this is going on continue. That man lock up in jail 14 years for murder. Right? 14 years and take men lock up in jail for murder. And you try to tell me the system still need more time. The state still need more time.
28 years actual men.
Nobody doesn't know what that's been going on inside here. Officers and things that's be passing inside here and pretending like if they're concerned about what's going on inside here, but really and truly they doesn't really care about what's going on inside here. They go pass, you understand? They go play like they're watching, they go play like they're asking what's going on, and they're going about their business. Nobody don't care about nobody inside here. That man lock up in jail years. Years are waiting at trial. It's better the country get some kind of, start some kind of thing where women could get bail. Bail for this case. You know, different counts and murder men could get bail because we have a lot of men lock up in jail innocent. You understand? They lock up innocent for something with a charge for they don't know nothing about. So all of this are done.